Okay, class, we're going to continue with culture, Toronto's downtown pedestrians walk away. And this is on page 63. Okay, let's see. We're going to remember in unit number 4, and I repeat the topic is about culture. Toronto's downtown pedestrians walkway. First, this is a topic in which we have one paragraph and one picture, 2, 3, and 4. Let's see. What can you see? Let's guess, okay? On picture number 1. Okay, we can see people, we can see electric stairs, maybe it's a supermarket or a mall. Perfect. Number 2, it says path, and there is a store. Could be a mall. Okay. Here, okay, a lot of people. Could be a restaurant, a possibility. And here, the sea, a city. Perfect. Now let's see. Here says, the path is an underground walkway in downtown Toronto. It has over 30 kilometers of shopping services and entertainment. Remember, it has over 30 kilometers of shopping. Number 2. Each letter of the word path has a different color to represent the directions. The P in red is for south. The orange A indicates west. The blue T directs people to the north, and the H in yellow to the east. Okay, let's see. This is the the south, the west, the north, and the east. It depends. Okay. Let's continue. More than 200,000 people use a path every day to go to work. It connects public transport and over 50 office buildings, 20 parking garages, 6 subway stations, 2 big department stores, 8 hotels, and a railway terminal are accessible through the path. The path also connects tourist attractions such as the CN Tower and the Hockey Hall of Fame. The path is very important for Torontians. In winter, in extreme cold weather, it is nice and warm, and when it is very hot in the summer, it is cooled down. There's as it is air conditioned. No? Okay. This is our activity. Is a place like Toronto's downtown pedestrian walkway in Peru? No. This is in Canada. Okay, this is in Canada. And let's see. Let's continue with number 1. Read and listen to the travel guide information about the path. Then check your understanding. It's like in Spanish you say comprensión lectora. The path is a tourist attraction or an underground walkway in downtown Toronto. Of course, it's an underground walkway. It's not a tourist attraction, okay? No. Letter B. It is long. It is over 30 kilometers long or 2,000 meters. Of course, over 30 kilometers. Remember I told you here, 30 kilometers, no underground walkway and 30 kilometers. C. The letter in the word path come in different colors to represent directions or represent the Canadian flags. Excellent. Represent the directions, not the north, the south, the east, and the west. Excellent. D. People use the path every day to go to work. More than 200,000 or 30,000? Let's see. More than 200,000 people use the path every day to go work. No? So this is the path connect downtown Toronto to the airport or public transport and over 50 buildings. Yes, public transport and over 50 buildings. The path provides safe haven just when it is freezing in winter or in hot, cold weather. Ah, so this letter F I'm going to ask you in class. Okay, are there any facilities in your city or country similar to the path in Toronto? If so, where are they? How do people use them? I asked you before, no? Is in Peru a place like Toronto's downtown pedestrian walkway? No, I don't think so. Maybe you have a different idea. You can tell me. Okay, let's see. Here I have a picture. No, this is on page 64 and it is about vocabulary. Number 2, landscape features. Let's say landscape paisajes, no? Match pictures or places 1 to 6 on the map with the words like beach, forest, island, lake, mountain, and river. So here you can see more vocabulary. And then you are going to do some activities like tropical island. So this is going to be for the next class. Okay? A pleasure class to work with you. Thank you so much. See you.